Set 1. Greeting and feelings. How are you? I am fine. How are you today? I am happy. Are you okay? Yes, I am. Are you tired? No, I'm not. How do you feel? I feel good. Set 2. Personal information. What is your name? My name is Kim. Is this your brother? Yes, he is. Is she your sister? No, she isn't. Who is this? This is my friend. Do you have a family? Yes, I do. Set 3. Likes and preferences. Do you like apples? Yes, I do. What food do you like? I like rice. Do you like milk or juice? I like milk. Do you like toys? Yes, I do. What do you like to do? I like to play. Set 4. Wants and needs. What do you want? I want a toy. Do you want water? Yes, please. Do you want an apple? No, thank you. What do you need? I need a pencil. Do you want help? Yes, I do. Set 5. Objects around you. What is this? This is a book. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Is that a chair? Yes, it is. What color is it? It is blue. Do you have a pen? Yes, I do. Set 6. Location and places. Where are you? I am at school. Are you at home now? No, I'm not. Where is your bag? It is here. Is the teacher here? Yes, he is. Do you like this place? Yes, I do. Set 7. Daily actions. What are you doing? I am reading. Are you writing now? Yes, I am. Do you play every day? Yes, I do. What do you do at school? I study. Are you busy? A little. Set 8. Ability and skills. Can you read? Yes, I can. Can you write English? Yes, I can. Can you swim? No, I can't. What can you do? I can draw. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Set 9. Classroom English. May I come in? Yes, you may. Can you repeat, please? Yes, I can. I don't understand. It's okay. What page is it? It's page 10. Are you finished? Yes, I am. Set 10. Review conversation. How are you today? I am good. Where are you now? I am at school. What are you doing? I am studying. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.